That's refreshing. Starting out to see the ice caves here. Just parked on the side of the road, and then it's up this road next to a farmer's field to the tree line. That's where we hit the trail. Excited for this. Gotta have some good grips on your boots because it's gonna be icy. Well, halfway up the hill, I was kind of wondering, is this worth it? And it totally is. What a hidden gem here. It's otherworldly being inside here. Totally worth the hike. Wear some good boots.